Lake Placid, New York has got nothing on Lake Placid, Florida, a city just south of Sebring, which is hosting a wildly colorful and vibrant event, the Caladium Festival.
Here with more from the capital of Caladiums in the world, we have Danielle Daum, who is from Happiness Farms?
Happiness Farms.
Happiness
yes.
Farms. And how many generations of your family have been making or farming Caladiums, Danielle?
My grandfather started the business.
Wow. So this is the family biz.
Yes, it is. Yes.
And they grow all over Lake Placid. Like Holland has the tulips, we have the Caladiums, and there's even a festival coming up,
yes.
right, to celebrate
this weekend.
them? Tell us about it.
So the festival is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and it's all day, all 3 days. At the festival, you can purchase bulbs, you can purchase caladiums, plants. You can go on a bus tour where we'll actually talk to you about the industry. You'll watch a video. One of us growers would get on the bus with you. And then we go out to the caladium fields and we take you to a community neighborhood that has been planted extensively with caladiums so that you can see how they're used in landscaping and get some good ideas for yourself. We have arts and crafts and entertainment and food and a car show on Saturday.
Look at those cars.
And the car show you can come and see it, or you can actually participate and bring and register your own cars that morning on Saturday.
For people at home maybe want to grow a caladium and looking at these and thinking, wow, these are really vibrant. I want one of these. How hard is it to maintain caladiums?
Caladiums are super easy. Here in Florida, they're very happy. They're a caladium that originated in the Amazon, so they love our hot, tropical, humid weather. And they're a summer plant, so you plant them now and they're going to be beautiful the rest of the summer for you. They come up very quickly this time of year because it's so hot and humid. And they grow in the sun or the shade. That's often a misconception. People think they're only a shade plant, and that's not the case. There are varieties that do just as well in the sun as the shade. They're great in pots, they're great in landscaping, they're great in hanging baskets.
How do people use them in landscaping?
You can do them as borders around trees, or border your sidewalk in front of your hedges. You can put them as a mass border where you have a lot of them in one mass. Mm-hmm. You can put short ones in front of the tall ones, so you have like white ones in front of the tall red ones, and then your nice hedge behind that. You could put them in clumps, so you would plant just a couple bulbs at a time in different areas. They're easy, and you don't have to have a green thumb to use them.
That's the best part.
That's good for me. Growing up in the Northeast, we would grow flowers and plants. Deer and rabbits would always come and eat them. Here in Florida, does anything come chomp away at them?
We don't hear now northern deer and stuff. We've had customers, in Pennsylvania and all who have say they have issues with them. I honestly haven't heard anybody in Florida, any of our customers, who have had comments of any critters getting to them, and they really don't have any pests that hurt them.
Well, that's good. I couldn't believe that picture we were just showing of all those fields of caladium. I've never been out to Lake Placid. Mm-hmm. Can you take us out there?
So
paint a picture for us of Lake Placid,
yes,
Florida.
So Lake Placid is a beautiful, quaint town. We have a lot of agriculture around us, and the fields themselves you can actually see from the roads. And they're just miles of fields of caladiums. That's like a patchwork quilt out there. With, if you could go up in the air, that's what it would look like looking down on them.
So beautiful. I mean, you can just go for a day trip, even if this festival wasn't going on. It sounds like a cute and quaint place.
Come visit the town. We have lots of agriculture to see, parks and such, and antique shops, and nice little restaurants to visit.
And there's going to be a floral competition at the event. Are you going to be a part of that, or is that not fair?
I'm not, because I would, but I'm really busy doing other stuff at the festival with our booth, selling bulbs and such, and doing bus tours. I'll actually be on the buses helping with the tours. And the floral competition is something that people use cut leaves, and caladiums are great as a cut plant. You can put them in a vase. They'll wilt initially, but after they perk back up, you kind of ignore them while they're wilted and give them a little bit of time, and they'll perk back up and be beautiful in a vase for 3 weeks or so.
Wow,
so they last. Yeah, stick them in there with some greenery, and you have a really nice display for quite a while. So the floral display contest, people will do that in advance, and then sometime this week there will be the judging of it, and then they'll be on display for people to view at the festival.
Wonderful. Danielle, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate you being here. The Caladium Festival runs from July 23rd to 25th. And for more info, you can head over to caladiumfestival.org.
We're at that.